Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to dive into a 1980s modern classic cocktail, the Gin Bramble. So for this cocktail, we are going to need fresh squeezed lemon juice, simple syrup, blackberry liqueur or creme de mure. You're also going to need gin. You are going to need 4 blackberries that are going to go into the cocktail, as well as some blackberries for a garnish. Don't forget your jigger for accurate measurement. You are going to need a muddler as well. As always, ingredients are going to be listed below, so make sure you build the drink along with me. All right, so we are going to take our 4 blackberries and we are going to put them directly into our glass and we are going to muddle them in our glass. Wow, that was juicy. Holy smokes, these guys were right. All right, well, I'm not going to do a whole lot more muddling then because those guys just got squished to all get out. All right, so then we're going to go in with a full ounce of our fresh lemon juice directly on in. And then we are going to do half an ounce of simple syrup. Sorry. And then, oops, I forgot to open my blackberry liqueur. And then we're going to do 0.25 ounces of our creme de mure or blackberry liqueur. Excuse me. And then we are going to do 2 full ounces of our favorite gin. And then we are going to put ice directly in here. And then prior to me garnishing, I'm going to just give this guy a nice little stir here. I do recommend using crushed ice versus the big cubes. It just gives it a nicer appearance as far as the cocktail goes overall. But then to garnish, I've got the largest blackberries known to mankind. But there she is, our Gin Bramble. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day, and the cocktails, of course, we can't forget the cocktails. But if you like seeing everything that I'm doing here, my goodness, I'm going to die on camera today. If you like everything I see today, or previous days, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see what I have coming up next. Until the next pour, cheers!